All right, tried to stay home. Trolling motors in the shop, couldn't do it. Had a day off. A little bit windy, a lot cold, but it ain't raining. So there are three things that will deter me from fishing: cold, wind, and rain. I can tolerate two of those, but I can't tolerate all three. Today we've got cold and we've got wind, but no rain. So let's go fishing, y'all. It only took a second. I literally just put this thing in the water. Man, you're running out of real estate, buddy. Slam straight to the bank. Must not be super big, because he didn't take any drag, but pretty darn big bait. I don't have very many of those. I'm gonna have to go get some more, I think. Oh, darn. Shoot. He wasn't a drag puller, so see if he's got any friends. Y'all, I put that bait in, and I mean, I couldn't even get the next bait on. I had literally just hooked the bait, had to stick it over here. Ooh, my goodness. It's gonna be one of those days, huh? I don't know why I brought all these rods. I only need one. And he's going to the same spot that one got off in. I don't know if there's some junk over there or not. Wow. I hope that got captured on video. That thing just breached. Wow. Might be one of those days, y'all. Tubby. Oh man, got him right in the corner. Whee. Here we go. Sheesh. It's gonna be a 20-pound fish. You know what I didn't bring, and I might have one on this boat, but I didn't bring a scale. Oh, shoot. I'm not even gonna put another one out just yet. I'm gonna wait till I can deal with this fish. Oh, I got a scale on these guys. Man, it's a healthy fish. Let's see. 19. It's trying its best to be 20, but it's 19. Whew. Yeah, Ooh, I wished I had a tape measure too. But this water's very clear today. I'll watch this guy swim off. Oh, very good. Our 2 rods in and 2 hookups, so let's see if I can go 3 for 3. Hadn't taken long. Probably 9 or 10 inches. And these are 5.5, 6.5, somewhere in there. But it ought to get the job done. And this is my leader material right here. That Berkeley Trilene big game, 50 pound. Been running probably 20-inch leaders. Probably stand to go with a smaller hook too, but these 8/0 Gamakatsu hooks have been really good. I like them. I had a problem a while back with fish coming unbuttoned left and right, and I really thought it was my hooks, but it hadn't happened lately. So I say that, and I just had one come unbuttoned a few minutes ago. Y'all, this snail knot is called the no knot snail knot. It absolutely amazes me. It's really easy to tie too. So you just take your leader, come in through the back, come in through the front, lay it down, just wrap it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, however many times you want to. Take your tag, well, it's the other end of the leader. Come back in the opposite way. But that's it. That's all you do. And then you take it and pull it tight, and it doesn't come undone. I don't know how it doesn't come undone, but it doesn't come undone. It's absolutely amazing. You would think it would just come unraveled real easy. Say these stripers are a lot different than the catfish. These stripers, if they pick up that bait and feel the least bit of resistance at all, they'll spit that thing back out. And I'm running, these are smaller baits. I use my big baits almost instantly. And if I don't get bit in 30 minutes or so, I'll go get bigger baits and throw out these 5, 6 inches that I got. But if these stripers feel the least bit of resistance, they can spit that bait out pretty quickly because they haven't quite engulfed it all. They hit like a freight train. They pick that bait up and run with it, but I don't think they get it all the way in their mouth until they are sure what it is. I love it when I'm not paying attention and I hear that drag burning whenever I'm turned around. That's what I'd like to hear. So anyway, I got my snail knot, I got my swivel. Now I'm about to, and I've got on my line, I've got my no roll sinker, and I've got just a bead. All that bead does is protect your knot, kinda. Now I'm gonna take the top side of the swivel and I'm gonna tie another Palomar knot, and I'll be ready to roll. And there she is. I got good news on my Komodo. So this is a Okuma Komodo 471p. Yeah, 471p. The gears in this thing are crazy high. Like they're 7.1. I got in touch with Okuma. Come on. He's trying to eat it over there. I got in touch with Okuma today, and they told me that I can get the gears for the 463, and it's going to reduce the gears from 7.1 to 6.3. And I asked him, I said, is it going to be that big of a difference? And he said, oh yeah, it's going to be a big difference. So I'm going to order the gears and get old Russ up at the Hudson's Bait Tackle. Well, it's about to be Hudson's Tackle. Nope, Hudson's Reel Repair. They're getting rid of their bait and their tackle store. And they're just moving right next door. Went right over that dot on their back. And I think this might be a little thread fin. He doesn't look like a gizzard's head. Oh, yes. Oh, the line. Good fish. Good fish. Let's go. Oh, man. Man, this was going right over to where that other one ran into the darn bank. Woo. All right, come here, buddy. Y'all, the one I caught a bit ago literally jumped out of the water right there. He breached. Ooh-wee. It's gonna be a pretty good fish. Uh-oh, getting bit right here. Man. Good grief. That's crazy. That is crazy. These fish just don't have no quit. Come here, buddy. I think I got you if you'll come here. I'd like to land you over here, man. Come on. Ooh, ooh. Yeah. I won't mess around and lose this fish. I see the hook sticking out of his mouth right now. Come here, man. Oh, come here, fella. Man, that's a tank. All right. Got him. Y'all, that's a nice fish. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a great fish. Yes, sir. And the hook popped out just like that. I was scared to death that was gonna happen, but we got it happening in the boat. That is a freaking tank, y'all. Y'all, that's a big fish. Oh man. Easy, easy. 28. Oh, 28. Woo! Woo! Yeah, baby. Dang it. I forgot to hit the record button on my GoPro, but I was live on YouTube, so 28 pounds, y'all. 28 pounds. That's a tub. Mm-hmm. That is a tub. Oh, man. All right. I'll let him go. Oh, man, what a fight. He's ready. He's ready. All right, bud. You're good. That was awesome. Man. Should have taken the camera right there. You can see that fish in the water. I mean, just slowly swimming away. 28 pounds. I think that might have been the biggest one of the season. So, yes, sir. There's some fish out here to be caught, but they really want these big, big baits. And I am down to my small, small baits. I think I'm gonna give this 15 more minutes. It's 2:30 right now. I'm gonna give this 15 more minutes, and if I don't get bit pretty quickly, I'm gonna move over to. I think I got some bait over here close by that I can go pick up. Got bald eagles flying around up here, man. 65 degrees today, I think. I don't know what it is right now. When I left the house, it was 44, and it wasn't too windy. There we go. We hooked up. My darn clicker done broke. All these fish are wanting to go straight to the bank, man. I don't know why. Oh yeah. I don't think this one's gonna be 28 pounds, but I ain't mad about it. Y'all, this cold weather just stirs these stripers up, don't it? He's a little bit bigger than I thought he was. Ooh. Dadgummit, I forgot to hit my freaking GoPro button again. Look here. Alright, we doubled up. Good. Oh, darn, he come undone. Good. Oh. Darn. And let me get the net. That right there was a good fish. Darn. You know, the ones that got away are always a good fish. But for real, he took off like he meant it. Pulling drag on that Akuma Komodo. I barely got this one hooked. I'm talking about barely got this one hooked. Barely got this one hooked. Oh, come here, boy. I got him. I was doubled up for about that long. Dang, y'all. The fish is way bigger than I thought he was going to be. Yeah. Yeah, this fish is way bigger than I thought it was going to be. Oh, yeah, this fish is way bigger than I thought. Quit flopping, buddy. Quit flopping, buddy. Shoo-wee. 20 pounds. I didn't think this fish was this big. It's a nice fish, y'all. Darn nice fish. Sorry, I got the mud all over it. Heck yeah. Crazy, crazy good day. All right, well, they're still biting a small bait, so I'm gonna keep fishing it till I'm out of it, I guess. Got that drag cranked down. Oh! Oh my gosh. Freaking monster. Freaking monster. Oh my gosh, man. Oh my gosh. That hurt. That hurt. That one hurt. Oh my gosh. That was a freaking toad, y'all. What do you do? What do you do? You try to catch another one. So folks, it's not very often that you can actually see the front moving in. Catch this behind me right here. I mean, literally, you can see these clouds that are coming, and this front is moving through. It's going to be raining the next couple of days, or there's a chance of rain. I think that's what's causing these fish to go nuts. It dropped down to 20 degrees last night at my house. Cold, cold weather, warmed up to 60, and the rains are coming tomorrow. These fish went nuts today. It was a good day. But we're up to 1,200 subscribers. Please remember, like and subscribe, share with your friends. I love doing this. It's a lot of fun putting these videos together. And you know, one day I'm going to look back at them, and you know, the memory's going to come rolling in. But you know, it's crazy to me that YouTube's paying people to do stuff like this. I enjoy it. I love capturing the moment, and I love fishing with friends. You can tell by watching the channel, there's a lot of folks that come out here with me that, you know, I might not have fished with them ever before. I may never fish with them again, but I sure had a good time with them on the boat. And you know what? We've got this video now for here on out, long as YouTube's a thing. So anyway, thanks guys for watching the channel. Thanks for subscribing and supporting it. I'm fixing to watch these rods for a few more minutes, and then I'm out. So this front's moving through. I got to go to work tomorrow, but hey, I got some time off over the next couple of weeks. This thing is still getting smoked. I'm gonna try to catch this fish. Catch you guys on the next one. See ya.